So friends, one more video with respect to the Maharashtra MBACET 2022, because you want to target the top institutes from the Mumbai region, from the Pune, from the tier 1 cities. Yes guys, Chetna'S Institute of Management and Research, the Chetna'S Ram Prasad Khandelwal Institute of Management and Research. So friends, one more video with respect to the Maharashtra MBACET, and this is the top college, Chetna'S. Yes guys, Chetna'S Ram Prasad Khandelwal Institute of Management and Research, where you can pursue your MMS program. Guys, MMS program आप जानते हो कि कट ऑफ थोड़ा सा हाई होने वाला है. सो वॉच दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो टिल द एंड. विल टॉक इन डिटेल अबाउट द सीट मैट्रिक्स एंड द कट ऑफ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द ऑल कैटेगरीज. इफ यू बिलोंग टू द ओपन कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट ओबीसी, देन मार्क्स कितना लगने वाला है, कितनी सीट्स है आपके लिए, ईडब्ल्यूएस, एससी, एसटी, वीजेएनटी, पीडब्ल्यूडी, टीएफडब्ल्यूएस, एनआरआई और ओएमएस कैटेगरी कैंडिडेट. सो यहाँ रेस हाई होने वाली है गाइज, बीइंग ओएमएस कैंडिडेट. सो यू हैव टू गेट द सेफ स्कोर, and that's why I am making this particular video. Stay tuned. So batches we already launched. Let's crack all the MBA entrance exams, target top MBA colleges, the top business schools from the Maharashtra region. You will get all these features, the live class, ebooks or books, shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests, WhatsApp group, 10,000 plus questions will be in the practice. You will get the mentorship, complete motivation, thoroughly cognitive effects, and don't forget guys, you will get complete guidance about the cap round program. So join classroom sessions at Mumbai, call on respective numbers and book your seat at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai center. Join CET Booster live batch. Guys, here you will get complete preparation for your MBA CET. Call on respective numbers or visit our website manuadu.com/MBA entrance. So, seat matrix and cutoff with respect to the Chetna. Guys, general category को लेकर 25 seats are there with respect to the home university candidate and 11 seats are there with respect to other than home university. If you talk about the institute level wise seats, then there are 24 seats. Yes guys, now minus these 24 seats from the 120, so 96 seats are there, and even after 18 seats are with respect to the OMS category candidate. Yes guys, so overall 78 seats are there for Maharashtra candidate and belongs to all these categories. So general category 98.89 percentile guys, your rank should be below 838. आपका स्कोर होना चाहिए आउट ऑफ 200 119 plus. Guys, with respect to the OMS category candidate, then 99.25 का percentile होना चाहिए आपका, rank should be below 750 and your score should be 120 to 126 in range. Guys, this is the past data, and as per competition going tough for each year, 1,60,000 candidate register for this year and last year का data था 1,32,000. So आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ score और अच्छा लाना है guys. So forget about 120, now you have to score 125 to 130 plus. Yes guys. Okay, because MMS program fee structure will be less. Fee structure is only 4 lakh rupees for 2 years, and if you talk about the placement stats, then here you will get 6 to 7 lakh per annum ka package. Yes guys. Now with respect to the SC category, 7 and 3 10 seats are there, 96.99. Your score should be 104. ST 5 seats are there, 85.33. Score should be 70 plus. OBC 14 seats are there, 98.49 to 1114. 109 ka cutoff. VJNT, then your score should be 86 to 107. Guys, 86 ये तो सिर्फ NTA के लिए है. Thereafter NTB, NTC, ND इनके respective cutoffs आपको score करना होगा around 100 to 107. EWS category candidate, there are 12 seats as per 10% reservation criteria. 98.11 का cutoff. Score should be 108. PWD category candidate, then 4 seats are there. These 2 seats with respect to the open category. Okay, 93.65 का आपका percentile होना चाहिए and score should be 84 plus. TFWS, tuition fee waiver scheme. Guys, if you want to waive your tuition fee, then your score should be 98.76 percentile. So score should be 110 to 114. Okay guys, and institute level quota, then as per the institute policies. Okay guys, so these are the seat matrix and cutoff in front of you. Now अब आपको करना है सिर्फ preparation to get entered into the Mumbai's best institute, that is nothing but the Chetna at the Bandra. Okay, so join classroom sessions at Mumbai. Follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta and Telegram for all exam updates and notifications. That's all guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.